After a long year of waiting, SuperThings Kazoom Power Warriors is finally here! Anyways, yes, hello everyone. Welcome to the start of my villain arc. Anyway, no, genuinely, welcome to the unboxing of SuperThings Kazoom Power Warriors, the entire series, hopefully. So we've got all 4 action packs. Let me just get them up here. Yeah, all the action packs, all of the 5 packs, a box of 1 packs. So without further ado, I think we should get started. So yeah, in case you don't know, this series was originally planned to release on the 5th of September 2025. However, it got delayed. For what reason, we don't really know. But it got delayed. Yeah, that's all you really need to know, because the public don't know anything else. Oh, my cat's decided to join me. How delightful. So, right, let's open my first 1 pack from the series. This will likely be a part of, like, 3 or 4, I imagine. Maybe 2 if I'm lucky. Right, I think this is the Silver Arrowman, maybe? That'll be a nice first one. Oh, it feels good. What's a new series? Oh, no, it's just a silver, but this is, oh, what's your name? Okay, no, I need the checklist. Haha. So, I expect these checklists won't promote the spinners or anything, because they were planned to release with this, with series 18, whatever that will be. Let's see, what's your name? One Deer Full, yes, that's right. It's the normal check, so it isn't placed fully annually. One Deer Full, very cool. Right, let's open another 1 pack. Oh, gosh, this feels so good to be opening new SuperThings again. And a shiny. Oh, a chrome, as I think they're calling them. What are you? Oh, I can't remember. Oh, here's the playset checklist. Yeah, I'm right. No spinners or anything. So, let's see on the checklist. Trust me, I'll open the rest of this more quickly once I've got my head around everything. Where did I put it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, he's got, like, cuts in his cape. I'm not sure I've done that before, to that extent, anyway. Shall we go for a 5 pack? Let's do the one with Nestor. What are you doing, cat? The one with Nestor. Let's see what we got here. So, you're the pie person. What are you doing, cat? She's going under my bed. Oh, I need that checklist. Oh, here we are. Okay, so the name of the greater man, Disgrater, and then this is like something like it's rivaled with the Apple guy. Sweet Petite. There we go. Yes. Fortunately, I've got most of these 4 packs in the alternate colours, which is a bit of a shame because I want them in the normal colours. But regardless, I'm just happy to have new SuperThings. I should not be complaining. So yeah, this series released on the 30th, and then I just received it today. So yeah, that's why I'm opening it now. So we've got Red Munch. It's Duo something, I remember. Duolicious, Coldbert, and Nestor, I believe. Yes. I should have called it Ernest. It would be like Ernesto. Right, let's see. Oh, what's on the alternate side of this, like, strip thing here? Let's see this. They didn't really change anything. No, it's the same. Oh, Magic Box. There's a lot going on for me today, because, on this same day, the new Red Noses were revealed, which you may or may not know, I have possibly the world's largest collection of Red Noses. And then, also, my SuperThings magazines have arrived, so I've got a lot of work to do. Right, oh, Fighter. Fighter. Yeah, they're cool. Right, action pack. Let's see what action's happening in here, eh? Oh, right. I should get a blaster jet out to compare, shouldn't I? 1 minute, I'm just going to get a blaster jet. Preferably with a disc in. That would be helpful. Why do none of my blaster jets have discs in? Oh, forget it, they don't need a disc in. Let's just get one. Right, so I'm back. These are the new one of the new vehicles for this series. These are the sliders. And last series the sliders were I cannot remember honestly. They were like kind of like the Series 9 vehicles ish. But now they are just like blatant blaster jet rip-offs. And also coincidentally this series they released the big like kazoom blaster jet, as I tend to call it, just to clear it up from these ones. Now, who is this exactly? This is Citrus Crushers. It's nice to see some more characters returning. Some people like that, some people dislike it. I like it personally. Wait, hold on, what's happened here? Oh yes. They've got some of this wrong. I don't know if it's just mine. They did this with the Pirates Golden Treasure Captain Pack, some of them as well. Because this pack has the character names for this pack, and all the packaging is for the Big Donkey Pack. However, the Big Donkey Pack says Star Guitar on it and has the packaging for this pack, I think. No, has it? Oh, I don't know. This is confusing though. This one says Hoops is in it, which isn't. And this one this is the only one that's correct. So yeah, all of them got mixed up with like the packaging somehow. I hope I don't get like repeated things. That would annoy me. Oh, because so long. Oh, right, come on, get it open. So you've got to build the Roto Smasher. Didn't expect that honestly. Of course, you had to build the X-Codes, but I was surprised because you had to build them before. So, whose actually is this? This is what I need to. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Because they've got this all mixed up. Okay, this is Freiters. Thankfully, we've already opened him in the 1-packs. We've got him here. But this is the contents of the. No, I don't know. I don't know. It's the contents of the Hoops action pack, but the packaging is of the Decibelia action pack. Is that right? No. Oh, I give up. It's too much. But anyways, Roto Smashers. I approve. These are cool. I mean, they're all just kind of like Rolling Hammer from Series 3, but in fairness, yeah, it's hard to come up with new ideas at this point. And then this is supposed to be Baddieberg, but we don't have Baddieberg yet, so we'll just put Hoops on there. So, yeah, comparing it to an original Blaster Jet. It's slightly bigger, but everything was pretty much the same, unfortunately. This one's got a bit broken off there, I should have got a different one. But, yeah, and then, of course, let's see how this works. Really wasn't very strong there. And it's got like a half-eaten burger as the disc, whilst the previous ones just had like Crash or Boom written on them. So, yeah. They're nice. Nice silver on the front. Let's get the guys out of the top, shall we? Oh, we have. Right, so we've got Block and Ping and Pong, not sure who's who. I'm going to say Ping's the hero. And Foot Shoot. Nice. 1-pack. Oh, I saw silver there. Yeah, we've got the Arrow Man. The name of his object is so posh that you've never heard of it. Like an arrow sheath, I think, or something. This kind of feels like Lancelot, but I've never found an ultra rare in one of these boxes. So I doubt that's going to happen today. Let's see. No, it's Pong, I think. 4-pack, 5-pack. Pirates. Let's do this. See, oh my, that's weird. We just got him again as the surprise. I mean, I know the surprises are always the same, but one of two characters. It's either going to be Lancelot or the character whose rival is a silver in the pack. So like, you can see these two are rivals. He's a silver, and they're not giving you 2 silvers. So it's going to be his rival. So that's pretty set in stone. Although there is a possibility, a small possibility, that it's Lancelot. I really do wish they didn't delay the series, because now, like, all the play sets aren't going to be timed well. And that upsets me. Well, they seem pretty randomly timed anyway, so... Ping. Oh... Cheese Man, what's your name? Cheese Man. Cheese Man. You're the rival to, what have got your name? Disgracer, so yeah. Star, don't get that, honestly, I imagine it's something to do with cheese type. You are Arrowhead, and then, Disgracer, again. Now, I'm worried, because I've already got 2 silvers in, like, the first few packs. That's going to be it for rare ones for the box. Because I'm pretty sure that's how SuperThings boxes are supposed to work. You either get an ultra rare, a gold, or 2 silvers. This one's chunky. Let's see what we got in here. Another silver. It's Nightman, who I think I would have brought back Ace Calibur and Sinister if I were Magic Box, but I'm not Magic Box, so will that be that essentially? Oh, you. I don't usually look at the checklist, but I'm not very good with the names. Helmelius. So the checklist only got revealed like a month ago. Okay, right, good. You're something style, I seem to remember. Suit up. Close. There you are. He's actually nice and expensive. I originally thought she was like a crap vase or something, because we only had a low quality image of it. After I think a promotional image for like the Titan Fury, I want to say. Who have we got in here then? Oh, wow. Oh dear, I didn't want to have to do this. Gosh! SuperThings! And yes, I know we're on the 17th series and they changed to SuperThings in Series 6, but I just can't not say it. I know, it just sounds wrong. I'd say I really wish they put the names on the normal packs. We have Bow Chic, Spoonicle, a returning character, Spikehead, a returning character, and our silver is Wick Cage. I would call it Wicker Cage, but okay. Yeah, I thought we're going through the action packs too quickly. Have I done more than one? No, I haven't. Where's one gone then? Oh, here we are. Should we do an action pack, or should I end it? I'll do 2 more 1 packs, then I'll end the video and make a part 2. Right then, everyone. Who we got here? Okay, yeah, I don't know this one. I'm gonna say this is Sushi Man. Makik, I think. Makik, yes. And then the final one of the video. Kind of does what everyone kind of does, honestly. So, yeah, let's just see who we have. Many Million, formerly known as Lots of Money. Very nice. Well, yes, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye, guys!